Let's be real. Trying to clean the inside of your windshield with a crumpled paper towel and your arm stuck in a pretzel twist is a losing battle. You end up with streaks, missed spots, and a sore back. That's why a dedicated windshield cleaner tool is an absolute game changer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best options that turn this dreaded chore into a 30-second breeze. Whether you want maximum reach, the best pads, or just great value, we've got a pick for you. Kicking off our list is a crowd favorite and Amazon bestseller, the AstroAI. This kit is the complete package, and let's be real, it sets the standard. You get an extendable handle, a storage bag, a spray bottle, and here's the kicker, 4 upgraded high-density microfiber pads. These pads are the stars, offering insane absorbency to prevent streaks, and they're built 10 times more durable than standard cloths. The 180-degree rotating head gets deep behind dashboards, and the twist-lock handle is rock solid. It's the interior glass specialist that thinks of everything, making it perfect for the detail-oriented car owner who hates messing around with flimsy gear. If you need maximum coverage, the XINDELL is your champion. This tool shines with its upgraded massive cleaning head, over 5 by 6 inches, which means you cover more glass with every swipe. The extendable handle and pivoting head make light work of panoramic windshields and deep corners. Its kit is super versatile, including a special nanofiber pad for wet cleaning of stubborn grime and standard pads for dry fog and dust wiping. Built with a sturdy anti-slip handle, it's the workhorse option. It's absolutely perfect for owners of trucks, SUVs, or anyone with large windows who wants powerful, efficient cleaning with no fuss. Trust the original. Invisible Glass is a legendary brand in clarity, and their Reach and Clean tool is a masterclass in smart, simple design. It comes with 2 quick-change washable microfiber bonnets that are famously lint and streak-free. The genius part? The bonnet is reversible, giving you a fresh surface mid-clean. While it includes fewer pads than others, the quality is top tier. Its biggest pro is its potential reach. The end cap unscrews to attach a standard extension pole, letting you clean second-story home windows. This one's ideal for the purist who values flawless, streak-free results above all and wants a tool that bridges car and home use. The desin cleaner is the lightweight contender that punches above its weight class. Weighing just over 5 ounces, it's remarkably easy to handle and store. It delivers all the core features you need: a 180-degree swivel head, an aluminum extendable handle, 4 reusable pads, and a spray bottle. It doesn't have the heft or extra frills of our top picks, but that's the point. It's straightforward, effective, and gets the job done without any complexity. This is the perfect first windshield cleaner or a great spare to keep in the trunk. It's a superb value for casual users or those with smaller cars. Rounding out our list is the sleek, modern SoSickWithIt tool. Its standout feature is the set of 4 color-coded microfiber pads, making it easy to dedicate specific pads to specific jobs, like interior versus exterior. The ergonomic handle and pivoting head provide good reach and maneuverability from the driver's seat. The build is lightweight plastic, so it's not for heavy-duty commercial use, but for the average driver battling fog, light dust, and fingerprints, it's a very reliable and affordable solution. It's a great pick for the budget-aware buyer who still wants a dedicated, effective tool. So, which one takes the top spot? For most people, the AstroAI is the best overall package. It's incredibly well-rounded, durable, and comes with everything you need. But if you have a massive windshield, go for the XINDELL. Want pristine, streak-free perfection? Invisible Glass has your back. No matter your choice, once you use one of these tools, you'll never go back to that awkward arm twist clean again.